Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix this version of YouTube is out of date problem. If you want to fix this problem, then watch the video till the end. First, you will need to click on settings in your mobile. When you click on settings, then you will see this type of interface. Here in the down, you will see the option of apps. This is the option of apps. When you are on the app, you will need to click on the search bar at the top. When you click on the search bar, then in the search bar type YouTube. When you are on the app info section of your YouTube, then you will see this type of interface. Here in the down, you will see few options like open, disable, and force stop. Simply click on force stop and click on OK. After, you will need to go to storage. When you are on the storage section of your YouTube, then you will see this type of interface. Here in the down, you will see the option of clear cache and clear data. When you click on clear data, then you will see this type of pop-up. Simply click on OK. When you click on OK, the data of your YouTube will be deleted and hopefully after your problem will be fixed. But if you find your problem is still not fixed, then you will need to go to Play Store in your mobile. When you go to Play Store, then you will see this type of interface. Here in the down, you will see the option of search. In the search bar, type YouTube. When in the search bar you type YouTube, then you will see this type of interface. Here you will see the YouTube icon, and in the right side you will see the option of open as of now. But in your phone, then you will see the option of update. If you see the option of update, then simply click on update. When you click on update, the YouTube will be updated in your mobile, and this will resolve the major and minor issues related to your YouTube, and hopefully after your problem will be fixed. Then you will need to see your problem is fixed or not. If you find your problem is still not fixed, then you will need to go to Play Store another time. When you go to Play Store another time, then simply click on the icon of YouTube. When you click on the icon of YouTube, then you will see this type of interface. Here you will see the first option, uninstall. Simply click on uninstall. When you click on uninstall, the YouTube will be uninstalled in your mobile. Then you will need to reinstall the YouTube in your Play Store. When you reinstall the YouTube app in your Play Store, then you will need to see your problem is fixed or not. So make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.